Bago tayo mag-proceed sa multiplication of integers, quick recap muna tayo. So, what are integers? Integers are whole numbers. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kasali dito yung fractions at hindi rin kasali yung mga decimals. Instead, integers are positive counting numbers. That includes positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so on. You also have negative counting numbers. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. And finally, we have 0. Bakit nakahiwalay yung 0? That's because 0 is neither negative nor positive. Basically, wala siyang sign. Ayan. So, yung actual topic natin is multiplication of integers. First step dito, we can disregard the signs and get the product. So, para lang siyang regular multiplication, yung first step natin. So, in this example, 5 times 6 is equal to 30. So, parang ganun lang kadali yung first step natin. Then, since we are dealing with integers, we will have to determine the sign, the correct sign. Positive ba yung magiging sagot? Negative ba? Or wala siyang symbol at all? Wala siyang sign at all? So, dun sa example natin kanina, pwede nating ma-apply yung rule number 1. If we are dealing with integers with the same signs, then the answer is always positive. So 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 5 here is a positive number. 6 is a positive number. And 30 is also a positive number. Paano naman kung negative? So if it's negative 5 times negative 6, since pareho pa rin yung signs nila, ang sagot pa rin natin ay positive. So we have positive 30. Another example, negative 7 times negative 8 is equal to, so 7 times 8 is 56. At syempre, dahil pareho yung signs ng mga integers natin, ang sagot ay positive. So it's positive 56. Next, 7 times 8. So positive ang 7, positive ang 8. Ang sagot ay positive din. So, positive 56. Sa integers nga pala, kapag hindi nilagay yung sign, halimbawa ito 7 lang, kahit wala yung plus sign dito, understood pa rin siya na positive. Ayan. So, just to let you know. So, yun yung rule number 1 natin. Rule number 2, what if we are multiplying integers of different signs? Ayan. So if that's the case, the answer will be negative. So in our example here, we have 5. Wala siyang sign, but understood that it's positive, times negative 6. So na-establish natin na 5 times 6 is 30. Dahil different ang signs nila, the answer is negative. So the final answer is negative 30. So kahit balibaliktarin mo yan, no? Halimbawa, yung 5 yung negative naman, and 6 is the positive integer, the answer will still be the same. That's negative 30. Then another example, 7 times negative 8. The answer is negative 56. And the other way around, kung yung multiplicand naman natin yung negative, that's negative 7 times 8. Again, kahit walang sign, it's a positive number. The answer will still be negative. So in this case, it's negative 56. Ayan, so ang dali-dali lang. So 2 steps lang tayo. First step, you have to just perform the multiplication process. And then second step, you have to determine the sign, the correct sign of your final answer. And in determining the correct sign for your final answer, we have 2 rules. So same signs, positive answer, different signs, negative answer. Now let's check your understanding. If you will need more time to answer the different equations, you may pause this video. Okay, let's start. Negative 2 times 12. 12 here is a positive number. So dahil magkaiba yung signs, the answer will be negative 24. 3 times 9. 3 is a positive number. 9 here is also a positive number. So the answer will be positive 27. 10 times negative 10. So since magkaiba yung signs, the answer will be a negative, and it's negative 100. Negative 8 times negative 5. So pareho silang negative. The answer will be a positive number, which is positive 40. And finally, negative 36 times 0. So alam naman natin, any number multiplied by 0 will always give us 0. So the answer here is 0, and it's neither positive nor negative. Basically, wala siyang sign. Yes, we're done. Okay, what if we make it more complicated? Paano kung hindi dalawang integers lang? So as you can see here, we have 3 different integers. We have negative 2 times 9, which is a positive, times negative 8. So nung nag-aaral pa ako, ang ginagawa ko dito, step 1, minumultiply ko lang lahat yung numbers. So 2 times 9 times 8, ang sagot ay 144. And then negative times positive, negative, negative times negative, ang magiging sagot ay positive. So same as true dito, then here is a positive number times negative 6 times negative 21 times negative 5. So 10 times 6 times 21 times 5 gives us 6,300 or 6,300. Tapos, positive times negative, ang sagot negative. Negative times negative, ang sagot positive. Positive times negative, the final answer will be negative. Now, here's the tip. Para mas madali nating malaman yung sign ng final answer, pwede nating bilangin yung mga negative integers. So, halimbawa dito, meron tayong isa, dalawang negative integers. At negative times negative, dahil parehas ng sign, ang magiging sagot dyan ay positive. Actually, basta even yung number ng mga negative integers. Pwedeng 2, 4, 6, 8, or more. Basta even number yung bilang ng mga negative integers sa equation, ang magiging sagot ay positive. Kung napansin nyo naman dito, tatlo yung negative natin. Meron tayong negative 6, negative 21, and negative 5. So, negative times negative, positive times negative, ang final answer natin ay negative pa rin. So, basta odd number, pwedeng 1, 3, 5, 7, or so, yung bilang ng mga negative sa equation, ang magiging final answer ay negative pa rin. Okay, that's it. So, it's real easy, but if you still find this challenging or kung may mga tanong pa kayo, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments down below. And thank you very much for visiting our channel.